until the album come out. And that's what it do. It's your boy Zooty Mac, aka the PC, nigga. You know what I'm talking about? This how it does it. You know what I'm talking about? What's up to that boy? Shout out! Yeah, I love you, boy. Yeah, it's the big brother, none other. You know what I'm talking about? It's going down. You know what I'm talking about? What's up, Cone? J-Mac, you know what I'm talking about? My nigga Slug, Dino, Slim, Cones, Big B. You know how we do it, man. Y'all know how I get it in, man. I ain't got no time to play no games on these boys, nigga. I'm straight up. Let's get it, man. Let's go. Hope you purchased your ticket, it's a sold out show. 20 plus in the game, I got sold out blow. Zooty, you did that, nigga. Shotty said so. Holding microphones hostage and I never let go. Rhymes in my mind that I need to let flow. Still floating over airwaves, something like a boat. Ready for competition, so I never will choke. You can quote me on my words, nigga, every single note. I'm a Atlanta rabbit, so I'm all about my cabbage. Destroying my competitors, doing you niggas damage. I'm a beast in the booth. I don't think that you can handle it on my job every day. And I'm still trying to manage, this is lyrical crack, right? Put this in your crack pipe. Wonder what my occupation is while I break mics. Heal the dark in your days, give me that night light. Yeah, I sing your video, reminds me of Light Bright. Popping in your videos, jeans way too tight. Put me in the zone to do songs, so I must write. You've been thinking I don't bust tones, but I just might. Your lyrical contents is nonsense. I came here to put the right thoughts on your conscience. They say the soldier boy of our time was the Fresh Prince. I feel like that's an insult. To us he made much sense. Cause social commentary is a must. Our favorite rappers in the pen doing 99 plus. All the legends in the game, 6 feet in the dust. And God and my money, only things I can trust. A little family that I had, our relationship rough. Rhyme scheme never lie, but right now it's on rush. I know you're anticipating it, but please don't rush. I'm like a whole lot of drama, you can hold back the fuss. Keep the flesh out your videos, don't need you to lust. Just focus on my rhymes and the subject in my thoughts. I feel that I'm one of the best underground artists. Say what you feel, but I feel that I'm working the hardest. And get that thought about your head, you niggas retarded. And all your kids, Bobby rappers, you niggas is garbage. I feel that I'm one of the best underground artists. Say what you feel, but I feel that I'm working the hardest. And get that thought about your head, you niggas retarded. And all your kids, Bobby rappers, you niggas is garbage. Man, you niggas is garbage. Yeah.
MCs never learn from it. When I spit it, acidic, it's hard on your stomach. Nobody effing with that. Head for the hills, me and Zooty Mac on the track. Look, my no hands like a Jupiter Jack. The rap game out of place, guess who put it back? The black hand mafioso. You ain't better than me, nigga, you so-so. You Dorothy, your hype man Toto. I hate to tell you, but your manager is Scarecrow. Melody is looking at me like, hey bro. After the while, hit him with that Super Joe. Boy, I run with a mob. Welcome to the world where it's no sleeping on the job.
I feel that I'm one of the best underground artists. Say what you feel, but I feel that I'm working the hardest. And get that thought about your head, you niggas retarded. And all your kids, Bobby rappers, you niggas is garbage. I feel that I'm one of the best underground artists. Say what you feel, but I feel that I'm working the hardest. And get that thought about your head, you niggas retarded. And all your kids, Bobby rappers, you niggas is garbage. Man, you niggas is garbage. That's how it's going down, man. That's how it's going down. What's up, mama? What's up, mama? I love you, Miss Erlene Jacobs. Yes, for making me the man that I am. What's up, Big Plot? What's up to my family, man? My nephew Drell, you know what I'm saying? Tyrese, all my nieces, nephews, my brothers, my sister. Everybody, man. I love y'all. What's up to my wife, Texas, man? I'm representing, man. My son, Sean J. What's up to that nigga Junior? You know what I'm saying? I love you, boy. Carrie, Jade, you know what I'm talking about? It's going down, man. What's up, everybody, man? Yeah, what's up, little Carla J? All my cousins, man. What's up, Mo? San Hanky, y'all act like y'all don't know a nigga now. Can't forget my all good though. I still love y'all. Everybody, but anyway, man, I'm gonna shoot about this bitch, man. You know what I'm saying? All my MySpace buddies, love, man. I love y'all, motherfuckers, man. Let's go. 903 to 940 zone. You know what I'm talking about? That's Atlanta to Gainesville, Texas, man. It's going down. Yeah, Junior. Rest in peace, big cuz. I love you, nigga. I'll never forget you. Los, what the business? V Money, big bro, know what it is, man. What's up, man? It's my clique, nigga. I'll let your boy. Yeah.